And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for being here. Listen, honey, today is day 1587 of quarantine, or at least that's how it feels. And how are you doing? How is quarantine treating you? You know, leave a comment in the comment section below how you're feeling. I came across this video that gave me hope. Okay, this 2-ingredient donut video, and I can't wait to try it. So let's try it together and see how it goes. Okay, let's go. Mwah. Okay guys, I have the flour and the milk, and that is it. You need, this is my cup measurement, 1 cup flour, half a cup milk. Let's see how this goes. I'm so excited. Okay. You have to make sure it's self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you should add some baking soda. But mine is self-raising, so I'm cool. Okay, I'm going to sieve my flour a little bit because sometimes you find all sorts of things in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like a little dance. Yay! Okay, we've got our flour. Now for the milk. So I have half a cup of milk and one second. Okay, yes, so I'm going to pour it in gradually. And oh, I'm left-handed, who am I playing? And just mix. She used yogurt in hers, but I don't have yogurt, so milk it is. Okay guys, this is what we have. It's a very thick batter, but she said it will feel thick, don't feel scared. And then now we gotta put this in a Ziploc bag, cut the tip, and fry. When we cut the tip, okay, now let's fry. It's not hot enough. How did she get it to fall? Oh. Maybe oil there. Scissors. Mine are not as round as hers, but looks like they're going well so far, you guys. You have to stir and make sure they fry evenly. Let's see how it goes. Okay, they look pretty golden brown to me, so we take them out, shake them up a little bit, put them on a paper towel so the oil can drain off. Now you might think we are done there, but we are not done. These donuts don't have sugar, so let's add some glaze, okay? So for the first type of coating, it's just sugar. I'm just gonna eyeball it, and then we take a few of our donuts. Let's take maybe one more. Come on, and just toss them around in there. Ooh, look at them getting coated. Yeah, that's the first one. Let's make the others. So we've got some butter and we need to melt it. So the recipe called for more powdered sugar than this, but this is all I have. The packet is done. So yeah, you know the story. I have to sieve it. And that can go back in there. Oh. Whoops. Pour in our butter. And mix. I added a little bit of milk. She says according to how thin or thick you want your glaze. Hers was so white. Why is mine yellow? Some vanilla essence. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Just a little. And mix. So this is what we've got, guys. Same thing as before. We get some donuts. Throw them in. Mix it till they get nice and coated. And for the last one, cocoa. Also eyeballing this. Oops. Put a little too much. And here we are. Ooh, don't they look so good? Let's taste them now. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the chocolate one. Look at how good it looks. What? You guys, this is so good. Oh my god. Let's take it to the rest of the family to taste. We have some donuts, people. Ooh, they look lovely. Oh, wow. They're amazing to see. Really? Yeah. Wow. Is it good? Good. Say yes for me. Alright, there you have it, you guys. 10 out of 10 would recommend. You have to try them out. So yeah, that was the end of the video, guys. Let me know when you try these out, because you just have to. Subscribe below and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Let me know if you want me to try more things. And yeah, bye guys.